bad, she 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 bad, Gucci bag, Gucci bag.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, everybody. So it's 2019 now, and this is my first video of the year. I did a poll asking you guys whether you wanted to see my Q&A first or a hair video first, and the hair video won. So this is gonna be the first video that's published on my channel as I get my channel back up and running for 2019. I've been kind of MIA in 2018, as we know, but I had a lot going on with school and such, so I'm back on track now. I do have a camera now, which I got for Christmas, so do expect to see the videos and everything. And I want to thank everybody for supporting me and rocking with me. My subscriber count is amazing. I've gotten so many emails and requests and stuff from people that, you know, I didn't expect, and everybody seems to have been missing me and asking where am I and where are the videos that I've promised and all of that. So here I am, and I am back, and 2019, your girl is here, okay? So thank you guys for rocking with me. So that's enough talking. Let's get into the video. So the hair that I'm gonna be working with today is Unice hair. There used to be a debate whether it was Unice or Unice. They have put a hyphen between the U and the N, so now we know for a fact that it's Unice, so there's no debate anymore. And the hair came with DHL. It came in a yellow paper bag envelope thing, and it comes in this box that's just marked Unice, so that's how it comes. I got the Brazilian body wave in 14, 16 and 18, and I only paid $85 for it, so boom. The hair took 3 days to get to me. I ordered the hair on Sunday, December 16th, and I got the hair was on my doorstep on Wednesday the 19th of December, so I got it just in time for Christmas, and I did make a wig out of it, and that's what I am wearing right now. I did dye the hair jet black. It came in a natural brown, but I don't like natural brown because when you step into the sun, it looks like dirty brown. That's what I think. So I don't like natural brown, plus my hair is black, so I had to dye it to blend with my hair. But this is what the hair looks like right now. There is no product in it. It is just conditioned, and that's it. I did have some curls in it. I think I did these curls like a week and a half ago or something. I made the wig probably on the 20th or 21st, so I've had the hair in since then, and I have only washed it with conditioner. And yeah, the curls take very well and they last very long. Like I said, this is like, you know, old curls, but I am about to curl it for you guys because this is a how to get bouncy curls tutorial, so let's stay tuned for that. Let's get right into that actually. Okay, so the first thing that I do is just take small sections of hair, and you see me wrapping it around my curling wand, and I hold it for a couple of seconds until I feel like the curl has, you know, taken form. So the pieces that I'm taking aren't too small, except at the front, because I'm trying to get more of like a loose bouncy curl effect the first time around, and you guys will see where I go back in and I define the curls where I want them to be defined later on.
This ain't a picture perfect love, baby, we got to tough it out. Every time you smile, you give me strength to pull through. I don't care.
Next thing you'll see that I do is after I take the curling wand off, I do scrunch up the hair and hold it for about 3 seconds before I release it. This helps the curls to just, you know, take form while the hair is hot as it cools down.
Even though I ain't supposed to, all that you mean to me, how I want us to be, everything, baby. What can I do to show you? Even though I ain't supposed to, all that you mean to me, how I want us to be, everything. We don't have to rush time. You could be my baby, we could rock all night.
Okay, so this is what the hair looks like after I've done the first layer. As you can tell, the front is defined, the back is really not. So I go back in and I take it layer by layer and I split it into pieces, and then I curl those pieces. So that's how you get that kind of layered bouncy effect of the curls.
You giving me your love for free, can't live without you. Sacrificing all the fame and fortune to have you. Said that I can feel it in my heartbeat. Now that we have started, there ain't no stopping us. Baby, what can I do to show you? Even though I ain't supposed to.
Yes, so I just continue to do the same thing all around the head. As you can see, I fumbled a little bit there. You know, we all do. So just go ahead and continue to do that all around. If you do want the curls more defined, you can go ahead and take smaller pieces and continue to curl it. But I had the effect that I was trying to go for, so I stopped.
You could be my baby, we could rock all night. You be my sun, I'd be your star. Always got each other. We don't have to rush things, we can take our time. You could be my baby, we could rock all night. Honey, don't worry, don't you be shy. I'ma be your angel for life. I'ma be your everything. 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 I'ma be your hey babe. What can I do to show you? Even though I ain't supposed to. All that you mean to me, how I want us to be everything, baby. What can I do to show you? Even though I ain't supposed to. All that you mean to me, how I want us to be.
Okay, I don't know who else loved this, but when I have a side part, I love having my little bump over my forehead. You know, us big forehead girls, we gotta hide that. But yeah, so I'm just going back in and grabbing 2 or 3 pieces and I'm gonna curl them so I can get my little bump.
You could be my baby, we could rock all night. Honey, don't worry, don't you be shy. I'ma be your angel for life.
Okay guys, so this is the end result. And this is also the end of the tutorial. One of my subscribers has requested that I find out whether there's a difference between the Unice AliExpress and the Unice, the regular website. So I will be getting some hair from the regular Unice soon, because this one was from the AliExpress site. I have bought from both of them in the past and I've never had any issues with the hair. My hair has always been good. The last time I bought from them, I did buy from the US website, and that hair lasted me about a year and a half or 2 years basically, and I bleached it. I did so many stuff to it. So Unice is one of those companies that I would recommend to people because I have used their hair quite a bit in the past. Thank you guys for everybody who watched. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, share with your friends, let everybody know about this channel. But for real though, thank you so much for watching. If you did make it to the end of the video, leave a comment below saying made it with 3 exclamation marks and I will know that you made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next one.